For as long as there are sports car fans, people will long after the Ferrari F40. The 200 miles per hour monster from Modena is a little out of reach for most enthusiasts, but the team at Liberty Walk might just have a reasonable solution. Thanks to a new body kit offering, customers can transform their much less expensive Autozam AZ-1 into a mini F40. Sort of. The AZ-1 was a mid-engined K car produced by Mazda under the Autozam banner from 1992 to 1994. While the car has become somewhat of a cult classic today, the AZ-1 fell a bit short of its Honda Beat and Suzuki Cappuccino rivals in terms of sales in period. Only 4,392 units were built before production ended, whereas the other two sold in the tens of thousands. That wasn't for a lack of style or performance, as the sports coupe comes powered by a turbocharged 657 cubic centimeters engine, sourced from the Suzuki Alto. The sub-liter mill kicks out a healthy 63 horsepower and 63 lb-ft, and comes mated exclusively to a 5-speed manual gearbox. One can't forget to mention the butterfly doors either. It's a car that's always had something of a baby supercar look about it. The team at Liberty Walk certainly caught on to the wedge-like proportions, crafting the new LB Works LB40 AZ-1 body kit for the Autozam. The team is no stranger to the F40 shape in general, having built a radically modified example for display at last year's Tokyo Auto Salon. This particular kit mirrors much of the style of that show car, with bolt-on arches and the modified wing setup. The kit, shown off at this year's Auto Salon on Friday, includes a new front cowl, door panels, side skirts, rear fenders, and new rear wing and rear bumper. Customers will also receive a set of canards for the front end, as well as a rear diffuser. You'll be responsible for getting the lighting elements in place, as they aren't included in the kit. That will set you back about $22,660. If you need the forged wheels to go along with the design, that'll be another $14,300. That's a lot of money to spend trying to make one car look like another car, but an F40 is well into the 7-figure range. And besides, just look at the thing.